welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, you are going to practice 200 English questions and answers that will help you sound natural and confident in daily conversations. Backhand index pointing right, here's what you'll get in this video. Simple and useful questions for everyday life. Natural answers you can copy and use right away. Shadowing practice. Repeat after me to improve your pronunciation and fluency. By the end of this video, you'll know how to answer questions about greetings, food, travel, work, study, hobbies, much more. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is Aria. Where are you from? I'm from London. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. How old are you? I'm 25 years old. Are you a student? Yes, I'm a student. What do you do? I'm a teacher. How's the weather today? It's sunny and warm. How's your day going? It's going well. Are you busy? A little bit, yes. Do you speak English? Yes, a little. Where do you live? I live in USA. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Are you married? No, I'm single. Do you have kids? Yes, I have 2 kids. Can I help you? Yes, please. How's everything? Everything is fine. See you later. See you soon. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. When do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. Do you cook every day? Yes, I do. What did you eat for breakfast? I ate bread and eggs. Do you like coffee? Yes, I love it. What are you doing? I'm reading a book. Are you tired? Yes, a little bit. Where are you going? I'm going to the market. Do you watch TV? Yes, in the evenings. Do you like reading? Yes, I enjoy novels. What time do you sleep? I sleep at 11 p.m. Do you exercise? Yes, I go for a walk. Are you free tonight? Yes, I am. Can we meet tomorrow? Sure, let's meet. Do you drive? Yes, I have a car. Are you hungry? Yes, very hungry. What's the plan today? I'll study and then rest. Do you like shopping? Yes, sometimes. Where is your phone? It's on the table. Are you ready? Yes, let's go. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. Do you like spicy food? Yes, I do. Are you thirsty? Yes, I want water. Do you want tea or coffee? I want coffee, please. Can I have some water? Sure, here you go. What did you eat for lunch? I ate rice and curry. Do you eat meat? No. I'm vegetarian. What's your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is mango. Do you like chocolate? Yes, very much. Can you cook pasta? Yes, it's easy. Do you eat breakfast every day? Yes, always. What's for dinner? We have soup and bread. Do you like ice cream? Yes, especially vanilla. How often do you eat out? Once a week. Do you like fast food? Sometimes, yes. Can you use chopsticks? Yes, I can. What's your favorite drink? I like lemonade. Do you drink milk? Yes, every day. Do you like cake? Yes, chocolate cake. Do you eat vegetables? Yes, I love them. Do you like traveling? Yes, I love it. Where did you go last holiday? I went to London. Do you like the beach? Yes, I do. Do you travel by train? Yes, often. How do you go to work? I go by bus. Do you ride a bicycle? Yes, sometimes. Have you been abroad? Yes, once. Do you like flying? Yes, it's exciting. Where do you want to travel? I want to visit Japan. Do you like road trips? Yes, with friends. How far is your office? It's 5 kilometers away. Do you get motion sickness? No, I don't. Do you prefer trains or planes? I prefer planes. Can you drive long distances? Yes, I can. Do you like city tours? Yes, very much. Do you use Google Maps? Yes, always. Do you travel alone? Sometimes, yes. What's your dream destination? Paris, France. Do you take photos when you travel? Yes, lots of photos. Do you buy souvenirs? Yes, small gifts. Do you work full-time? Yes, I do. Where do you work? I work in an office. Do you like your job? Yes, very much. Are you a student? Yes, I study English. Do you study online? Yes, on my laptop. What's your favorite subject? I like English. Do you have homework? Yes, a lot. Do you like exams? No, I don't. Do you work from home? Yes, sometimes. Who is your boss? Mrs. Smith. Do you like your colleagues? Yes, they are kind. Do you get a salary? Yes, every month. Do you use a computer at work? Yes, every day. Do you take lunch at work? Yes, at 1 p.m. Do you have meetings? Yes, on Mondays. Do you like learning English? Yes, it's fun. Do you take notes in class? Yes, always.